This region has so much water. Look around you.
That laugh is gonna haunt my nightmares. Much like that clip is now haunting Elon Musk, because that area he said has so much water is actually experiencing a severe drought. Let's back up a little bit. In early 2022, Elon Musk opened up a giant Tesla Gigafactory in Brandenburg, Germany. During an interview in August 2021, a reporter asked him the following.
Critics say that Tesla is stealing water from the region.
And that laugh was how he responded. Fast forward to today, Musk is trying to triple the size of the factory, which requires substantial amounts of water to paint car exteriors, manufacture parts, and even cool off the machinery used. But he can't, because like I said, that whole region is experiencing a severe drought. Residents are actually very worried that they won't have any drinking water. According to Tesla's contract with the German government, Tesla would need an estimated 1.4 million cubic meters of water every year to expand the factory. That's about the same amount to supply 30 to 40,000 locals with water for a year. The expansion has been put on hold while government and Tesla officials look for other water sources. I do want to point out that this factory is one of the largest employers in the region. Tesla is also helping meet the global demand for electric cars. So the expansion would be helpful to not only fuel the local economy, but to help meet global electrification goals. But it shouldn't come at the expense of local communities. The moral of the story here is that projects like these need to not only be more responsible, but also inclusive, so they don't put at risk the livelihoods of local residents.